down here and get this thing started this morning. Finish it up tomorrow afternoon and get the hell home.
Amen.
Yes, sir. Amen. That is the plan. We'll see how that works when we get there.
Double wide mobile home another week.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
They didn't seam the whole thing? Wow. Wow. Supposed to be a 6-inch seam. That's terrible. We can pop lines in that, can't we?
Don't need a line.
Oh, that's right. That's right. Plywood under it. All right, well, that's a good thing. Huh? I say we start cutting these things out, find our lines. Huh? Right.
Find 16 in the middle. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Move the old TPO. Leave the insulation. We'll just go over that with our OSB. We did leave it around the edges. There's a 1x4 under that. Doesn't matter. We'll go on top of it. Gonna have to have a tape measure to do it, probably.
I got one. I'm good.
We go every, if you notice, they don't run on 16s, the ones they got sometimes. Some of them do. Some of them are dead in the money. And some of them just aren't. You know what's going on. That's awesome, dude. Looking good, guys. We'll figure it out. Hey, there's always something different on mobile homes. Look at the way they did this one over here. And they put siding on that. Not to criticize, I guess, but that's not the traveler's way of doing a rubber roof, and that's somebody else's way. And just so you know, there's no plywood on that. They just went and stayed over the metal and put turn bar around the outside edge, and the whole other side's leaking where they had the transitions at. So it's not my personal preference, but everybody has their own. We're getting ready we're popping lines. I've got this side ready all the way down, ready for lines. They're working on getting that other side finished in. Paul found a rotten spot over here he's taking care of. Get that rotten spot tore out of here. There was a hole in the TPO right there. Could have been anything, I guess, that made it, but they never could really find it, so that's what ended up happening. And this window down below was continuously leaking right there. And that one down there, actually, so we have 2 windows that were leaking. We're gonna put the 6-inch overhang on this and eliminate, let me scroll back out here, and eliminate all that bull crap. So it's not gonna be like that for us. Beautiful. Beautiful. We're getting her started. The one way to do it in here is to do it. The travelers. Yeah, the drip edge. Yeah, it's just a small piece. It's already hanging, most of it. I don't want to hit no screens or nothing. It's a beautiful day to do a rubber roof on a mobile home in Murrells Inlet, South Carolina. 6-inch overhang. Now remember, I'm going to go over this just a little bit more detail. Okay, I'm going to show everybody what's going on here. They had a TPO roof on here, and they just wrapped it over and attached it down here. So what I'm going to do is, and they had a 1x4 that ran all the way around the edge, and then these things here. Not very much, as you can see, holds the insulation board down, and it was never glued to the surface. So you know, in a hard windstorm, you got to have some flexing in that. So what we did, we just added a 6-inch overhang on this thing. So we popped the line from here, 48 inches, 6-inch overhang. What we'll do is we'll run a 2x4 right down through here, 2x4 on the bottom side, and that's going to be a sub fascia. Okay, and that 2x4 will go all the way down through here, all the way to the other end. Sub fascia, 2x4. I use 2x4 because it's 1.5 inches. It gives you plenty to put your screws into, because you're going to screw right down through here. Okay. Now, what we did here was we found out that their screws that they added were already into basically the center of the rafters. So we went with it. We went with their marks, and we also made a few of our own, obviously. Popped some lines on this thing. Should have used red chalk for your lines, so we could see them better. But
blended in.
Yeah, I can't tell no difference.
Okay.
He couldn't say it.
All right. So, anyways, either way, 6-inch overhang that gives us something really solid to screw to all the way down through this outside edge, so we can put our screws in further than that, obviously. Bill, come here for a second. I guess with all this insulation up here, I can tell you one thing: it makes it super ass bright. This is bright. Bright, bright, bright. Can't even open my eyes. See, I'm gonna have to go get some sunglasses. Whoo-wee. Can't even open my eyes.
I'll make it 100 times hotter too.
It's gonna be reflecting right up on us, isn't it?
I put plywood down. Make it cool.
Oh, you can feel the difference. As soon as you get off of it, you can feel the difference. That's hot stuff. Yeah, it's very hot stuff. TPO roof was leaking. Well, leaking down there, but leaking down here twice as bad, to where since the time they put this roof on here, it had leaked so bad that well, you can see the 1x4 down there. It was completely crumbled. And before they put this roof on here, you can tell there was leaks through here, because they've been cool sealing, and you see that texture stuff. More than likely, they're just trying everything they can to stop this thing from leaking before they decided to put this TPO roof on, and then learned that TPO doesn't last that long, has a tendency to leak. So we went ahead and removed it all the way up through there because it's rotted, replaced it, and we should be in good shape from there. But if you want to see the rest of this video of this job being done, make sure you hit that bell notification, because I'll be downloading this video more than likely this evening or tomorrow morning. It'll be scheduled, and you'll be able to see at least whatever else we did today. But as for now, I just wanted to give everybody an idea of where we were, Murrells Inlet, South Carolina, the travelers, what we're working on, and yeah. Oh, and just by the way, if you're interested in scrapping, I'm a scrapper. I do that kind of as a side job besides the travelers. As you know, the travelers, I come along. I'm not a part of a working crew. I kind of just make the videos for these guys. And I'm Drew. That already. Here we go. The travelers. Murrells Inlet. Bill over at the end. We got Burt Bailey here. We have Mr. Watson down below, and myself. 80 inches. And myself. This already has plywood on it. They just insulated it. Ran a 3/4 board out here, so we're going to go ahead and run new plywood on this instead of just that TPO like they had. Really going to make a huge difference. So yeah, check out my scrapping videos if you'd like to see anything like that. Type in Scrapping with Grandpa, because I'm Grandpa on my other channel. So I'm trying to promote my other channel a little bit by using this channel. Hope you go there and check it out.